Metal fence gate rusted through? You gotta act fast to keep your gate strong and looking good without spending a ton. So, first off, check the gate for all the rust spots and figure out how bad they are. If it's just surface rust, grab some sandpaper or a wire brush and scrub it down until you hit clean metal. Then, slap on a rust converter or primer to stop it from coming back. If parts of the gate are totally eaten through, you'll need to cut out those sections and replace them with new metal pieces. Make sure to measure right and buy the same kind of metal so it fits. After you patch it up, paint over everything with a rust-resistant paint to keep moisture out for good. Don't forget to oil the hinges and locks too, so they don't get stuck or start rusting. Doing these little things regularly can save you a lot of trouble later on. If you're not comfy with tools, asking a local pro to help is always a solid call. One of the biggest mistakes people make with metal fence gate rust repair is ignoring small rust spots until they turn into holes. That just makes the problem way worse and more expensive to fix. Fix it early by treating rust when it first shows up. Another common issue is using the wrong type of paint or skipping primer, which lets the rust come back fast. Always use rust-proof primer and paint designed for metal outdoors. Lastly, folks often forget about the hardware like hinges and latches, which can seize up from rust and mess with your gate's function. Keep those parts oiled and clean to avoid stuck gates or broken mechanisms. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle fence repairs and other home projects. It also gives contractors a platform to find reliable work and build their reputation in the community.